Let's walk through how to install your new wallpaper from Green Planet Print. Make sure your walls are clean and free of debris, and if you've painted them, make sure you wait 4 weeks before applying your paper. Your wallpaper panels will come numbered on the back, indicating their order. It's helpful to lay them out from left to right to familiarize yourself with the pattern. You'll see that the pattern overlaps somewhere around an inch or less to have it line up perfectly. Some other helpful tools would be a level or laser level, sharp cutting knife, and a ruler or straight edge. To begin hanging, start with wallpaper panel number 1 and peel off roughly 12 inches of the paper away from the backing. Now making your way from left to right, install the paper from the top down, peeling away and smoothing as you go. Now overlap and match the next panel on top of the previous, and don't worry if it's not perfect. You can pick up the paper and reposition as you go. I found that it's easiest to smooth using your hands in a downward V motion. For any excess at the base, use your ruler or straight edge and carefully cut away and peel back the excess. You can use the same method for trimming around any windows, doors, or outlets. Or if your last piece butts up to another wall like mine did here. And there you have it, your completed peel and stick wallpaper.